So I came to Bukit Batok East Avenue 3 wet market to get ingredients for a grazing platter. For the nuts and the dried fruits, I will get Nature's Wonders Royal Mix. Okay, I'll get dragon fruits here. So 3 for 450. So I will take 3. Okay, for the grapes, I will get this seedless grapes. I will get American strawberries here. Okay, I got the 2 packs of blueberries from Morocco. 2 for 5.95. Right? So I take this spring onion one and oatmeal crackers with pumpkin seeds. For green color, I'll take pistachios as well. So I'm gonna get these 10 oranges for 2.95. They're very cheap. So these are ingredients I bought for grazing platter. So I'm gonna use all of this to make grazing platter. Now all the preparation is done. I'm gonna put everything in the plates. So ingredients are like this. Now it's all done. Grazing platter.
If you like this channel, please like us, leave a comment and subscribe.